So how to connect your TT Auto Speed OBD car gauge TS10 to your vehicle? So first, once you get your TT Auto Speed package, you will have your box, the unit itself plus the suction mount, and the OBD cable. So we will have our installer here who will teach us how to install it. Okay. So ang proper connection lang, we just need to remove some parts like this plastic interior and the rubber. So take note that we are installing it in a Mitsubishi Montero Gen 2. So hawak na rin natin ang ating OBD cable. This is where you connect it to the OBD port. So usually the OBD port is at the lower left hand corner. So for this Montero, asa loob siya nito. So ni-remove natin yung plastic at yan siya. So just make sure na securely fit siya. At ang ating installer ay ikakabit na niya ito. Okay, so it's securely plugged, it's connected, fit na fit. At ayusin lang natin ang mga cables kung saan dadaanan. Okay. Balik lang natin ang interior plastic panels. At ibalik ang rubber. Mamaya aayusin natin yung kable na to. Pero for the meantime, i-connect muna natin ang head unit or ang unit natin ng TT Auto Speed TS10, the all-new TS10. At ikabit sa windshield. Nakita nyo? Meron siyang set language type. Okay, so the engine is off at the moment. So to turn on na natin siya. On. Set to English. Select mode OBD. At makikita nyo na ang TT Auto Speed TS10. So loading. So initially medyo matagal lang siya because it's trying to connect to your engine. And ito na ang ating all new TS10. So para makita nyo ang iba't ibang interface, press lang natin yung buttons on top. Meron siyang 6 different designs. Okay. So, that's how quick and easy it is to install your TT Auto Speed car gauge. At ibalik na natin ang ating mga plastic panels and make sure that the wires are securely fit for safe driving. Successfully installed the TT Auto car gauge, which is TS10, the latest model, and meron siyang feature that we can connect it to your Bluetooth device, which is your phone. And I have here the manual. The manual says we need to have this QR code scanner. So just download in your phone any QR code scanner app. So for my phone, I already have here a QR code scanner. This is very helpful. So if I click on open, meron ditong 2 QR codes. So let me just choose the one for Android. Okay. And makikita nyo, magre-redirect siya sa isang app which is Wii. So the WIIYII. Then let me just click on open. And if I click on open, it says here navigation for HUD. So we will connect your phone to the to the TT Auto TS10 car gauge, and we'll use it as a navigation device. So usually yung car gauge nyo is just for tracking, scanning, or giving you information about your vehicle. But for TS10, meron siyang navigator. So, pwede na rin siya maging navigator. At nakatingin na lang kayo dito. So, we will try it with this demo. Just make sure na meron kayong mobile data or you're connected to the internet kapag gagawin nyo so, kasi the navigation will not work. So, that's what I've noticed. So, let's say, kunyari, punta tayo sa isang destination. Let's say, Victory Mall Monumento. And if I click on that, I click on Start Navigation. And notice that, makikita nyo to. Let me just click on Start Navigation. And if I click on Start Navigation, automatic yung
head west on William Shaw, then turn right onto Baclaw.
Interface natin dito nagbago siya. Makikita nyo meron ditong 56 meters or meron siyang mga directional signs as compared to before. So even if I click on this, nothing will happen because it's connected to your phone at ito na ang magiging navigator mo. So we will check now if it's accurate. So we will do a test drive then. Okay, so let me put it up. Signal. So let's do a test drive. It says here 56 meters. I need to turn right. So instead of looking at my phone, I can also look at my car gauge here. So I hope you can see it in the video. You can also zoom in para makita natin.
Turn right onto Baclaw, then turn left onto Ttauto.
And let me just zoom out. Okay, so sabi niya turn right. And so I'm now turning right. And sabi niya, if I turn right, the next one is I need to turn left in 43 meters. I need to turn left. So far it's very accurate. It's giving me my speed plus some directional information. And it can also give me in ilang kilometers plus in yung duration, yung duration or time. So,
in 200 meters,
yung,
turn right onto
this is very helpful if you don't want to be looking at your phone, and especially if you just want to look at the windshield for safety purposes. And maganda to kasi the regular car gauge just gives you information to your vehicle, like, let me just be on hazard mode. Like ang mga sinasabi niya or pinapakita ng information is of course the coolant temperature, RPM, driving distance, air fuel ratio, real-time clock, mga pressures for turbine, oil temperature, local time, intake pressure, turbine pressure, ALS or altitude, saka kilometers per liter at fuel consumption meter. What I like about Ttauto is that it scans my vehicle for any errors or any check engines, and it removes it. So I don't need to go to CASA and pay a lot of fees to remove the check engine or to diagnose my vehicle, because I can do that by myself with the power of Ttauto car speed gauge. So again, this is TS10, the latest model of Ttauto car gauges. It is worth 4,500. We offer free shipping nationwide, and it's also available at the Ttauto authorized dealers near you. Okay, so it's easy to use, it's plug and play, and you also have warranty for this. It has 2 years warranty. Okay, so just message us in Ttauto Speed Philippines. It's also available at Top Up Philippines, and we will be more than happy to assist you.